Tiramisù is probably the most famous dessert in Italy. There are so many different versions of this recipe, but this is the original. I think this is the best. This is the one that I was taught. I'm going to show you it now. Hope you like it. You'll need 3 egg yolks from large eggs and save 2 of the egg whites. Whisk the yolks with 50 grams of caster sugar until light and fluffy. Now add a 250 gram tub of mascarpone cheese. Whisk the 2 egg whites until stiff and then fold them into the mascarpone and egg yolk mixture. Add 150 ml of strong espresso coffee into a bowl with about 3 tablespoons of your favourite liqueur. Sponge fingers into the coffee mixture and then arrange them in a serving dish, layer by layer, followed by the mascarpone cream and then some shaved chocolate. Keep going. I've done about 3 layers here. Finished with some more shaved chocolate and a dusting of good cocoa powder. Now pop this in the fridge for about half an hour or up to a couple of days and it will just keep getting better and better.